What up with it, YouTube? It's Swole Waver, and today's video is going to be about making your weak side your strong side. Mostly everybody who has waves, for the most part, has a weak side, and it's this side that no matter what they do, they got forks, just things aren't just lining up, and so on and so forth like that. So I wanted to show you all the weak side that I have, and never mind the the rag line in my head, because this is my gym rag right here. All right, I'm gonna come up with a series showing you how to fix that, especially for you medium hair wavers, medium hair texture wavers. I cut my hair down to a 1.5. Actually, I cut it down to a 1. Cut it down to a 1 because I was having a problem with this side right here. I'm not sure if y'all can see this, but I got like a nasty little traffic jam right here, man. Where's my comb at? All right, y'all call it crashing, but I call it a little traffic jam, like right here. And this been irking the hell out of me. So what I did, I tried woofing to correct this, but what I've noticed is that with my hair texture, I'm able to move my hair better the lower it is. So it's similar to how some people scalp or whatever to shift their waves, but I ain't scalping shit. I'm just cutting it down to a length where I can still use my comb and move my waves to get them to line up. So I'm gonna start doing a video series on how to fix these troubled areas. You see, like right here, how that shit got a little triangle right there. That's no bueno, man. That's no good at all. So I gotta fix that. And I didn't fade the back of my head this time because right now I'm in construction mode. I ain't trying to fade my hair right now because my waves ain't where I want them to be. And I'll put the picture right here. I'll put it right there so y'all can see how I get down with that self taper, man. I'm the real deal with that. All right, if y'all want me to do a tutorial on how I self taper the back of my head, that I'll do that. It's very simple, man. And at the same time, I'm working my crown too, because with me, the shorter my hair, the easier it is to move my hair. So y'all see on this side, on my left side, I'm A1, man. I'm good over here. So I want my right side to look like the left. All right. So y'all just stay tuned and be on the lookout for that series of how to make your weak side your strong side. Okay? And hopefully that video will be able to help a lot of you all out. I'm gonna take you with me step by step on how I'm gonna fix that. With my brush sessions, with my comb sessions, the type of product I'm gonna put in my hair. Ain't gonna be nothing fancy. It's just gonna be hard work. All right. And stay looking out for more fitness videos. I'm gonna show y'all how to get like this. I got a trip that I'm going to in Miami Beach this July, so I got to get myself right. Like, I'm about 65% of where I need to be right now, and I got to go down there representing. All right. I can't go down there looking like trash. But y'all stay tuned for more videos. I thank y'all for watching. Swole Waver out.
Oh shit, that's just too easy. No, that shit is too easy. It's too easy. No. That shit is too easy. Fuck it. I don't want to play no more. I'm through. I don't play no more. We don't want to play no more.